Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to learn about depreciation and accumulated depreciation, accounting treatment, or the complete journal entries. What are the points we are going to learn this video? We will see the definition of depreciation and accumulated depreciation. We will see the complete journal entries, that how we can record depreciation in our accounting books, and I will show you the profit and loss statement and the balance sheet statement, so you will see that where we are keeping these depreciation and accumulated depreciation accounts. So let's start with the beginning. First of all, the depreciation. The depreciation is a regular expense, monthly or quarterly or annually. Every company is charging against an asset. It is an asset cost reduction. As long as we are keep using the asset value is keep decreasing. So the value which is going to decrease, that value we need to record as depreciation, as an expense. It is affecting directly revenue, because when we are recording our expense, the depreciation expense, then our revenue decreases. Also, this account is related to profit and loss statement or income statement. Now let's head over to the accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation is an aggregation of depreciation expense. It is the total value, like one asset having a useful life of 5 years. If we are going to make a depreciation for 4 years, every year the accumulation of depreciation expense will be the accumulated depreciation. It is a contra account of fixed asset. It is coming under the fixed assets. It is contrary account. Fixed assets are debit, but the accumulated depreciation coming under the assets, but as a contra account, as a credit. It is a balance sheet item. We are recording this accumulated depreciation in balance sheet because it has to go with the years. Like if a useful life of an asset is 5 years, so the accumulated depreciation will go with that asset till 5 years. Let's see the journal entries. Here I have made a schedule, a small schedule, like depreciation expense charged to plant and machinery. It is charged to profit and loss account, affecting revenue with 4,000, which is debit. Depreciation expense of computers, it is charged to profit and loss account and affecting revenue, because the revenue will decrease when we are going to charge expense. Our revenue will decrease. So it is 8,000 debit. Same as for furniture, 6,000. Same as for plotter expense, 5,000. So accumulated depreciation is charged to balance sheet under the fixed asset as credit. The total, the aggregate value of these all assets should come as credit under the fixed assets. Now let's see the journal entries. When a company buying an asset, so it is definitely the asset will debit, and the cash or bank or the creditor, if we are going to buy from a supplier on credit, which will be credit with the total value of the asset. When company charge depreciation on different assets, what entry they are passing, every month or annually? Depreciation expense plant and machinery will be profit and loss account debit, same as this, 4,000. Computer expense 8,000, and furniture expense 6,000, and plotter expense 5,000. So the total accumulated depreciation under the assets in the balance sheet will come 23,000. So this is the entry when we are charging depreciation on assets. So assets expense as a depreciation will be debit, and accumulated depreciation will be credit. We are not decreasing the actual value of the asset. Now this is a profit and loss statement, and here you can see under the expense, you can see here depreciation. Depreciation expense is debit to the profit and loss account, and it decreases our net profit. Let's see the balance sheet. Balance sheet, under the assets, there are current assets and these are fixed assets. Under the fixed assets, here you can see here less accumulated depreciation. These are the actual cost of the assets when we buy those assets, and this is the total depreciation for all the years we are charging. This is an accumulation. This is the total depreciation of all the years. So this is the concept of depreciation and accumulated depreciation, guys. I hope you like this video. Please keep subscribing our channel. It keeps motivating us to create more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.